Hey there, creators. Welcome to my channel. Are you ready to unlock the power of AI in video creation? In this video, I'll show you how to make stunning videos using AI tools. From script to screen, we'll cover it all. Let's get started. First, choose the right AI tool for your needs. There are some amazing options out there, like Lumen 5, Wibbits, and InVideo. Each one has its own unique features and pricing plans, so be sure to check them out. Next, define your content. What's the purpose of your video? What tone are you going for? Get your script or text-based content ready to input into the AI tool. Now, set up your project in the AI tool. Select the right template, format, and settings for your video. Easy peasy. Input your content into the AI tool and let it work its magic. This is where the AI tool starts to analyze and process your information. Customize your video to your heart's content. Choose visuals, music, and more to make your video shine. Review and refine your video to make sure it's perfect. Make any adjustments you need to create a stunning final product. Finalize and render your video in the desired format and resolution. You're almost there. Add any final touches, like subtitles, captions, or SEO optimization. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more video creation tips and tricks.